Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to revise exercise 1B question number 1 and 2. So let's start. In question number 1, find HCF each of the following. Part A 12 and 30. Here we have to find the HCF, as we know very well how to find HCF. So solution. First of all, we will find factors of 12 and 30, prime factors of 12 and 30. Okay, just like this, it is a rough column. Prime factor of 12, 2, 2 and 3. So the prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3, just like this. And the prime factor of 30, first of all we erase this. Okay, rough column, just like this. 30, 2, 3, and 5. Okay, so 2, 3 and 5, just like this, these are prime factors of 30. Okay, in next step we have to find common factors. Here these two are common and 3 is common. So the HCF of 12 and 30 is 2 into 3, and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Okay, this quite simple. First of all, we have to find prime factors of these two values, and then find common factors, and these are common factors are HCF of 12 and 30. Okay, let's move to next question. Part C, 15, 60 and 75. We have to find the HCF of these three values. First of all, we will find prime factors of 15, 60 and 75, just like this. Prime factors of 15 is 3 into 5. Prime factors of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and prime factors of 75 is 3 into 5 into 5. You can find just like प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, जैसे हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में फाइंड किया था ना, सिंपल आप एलसीएम लेंगे, प्राइम फैक्टर जैसे हम लोग फाइंड करते हैं, आप वैसे ही आप रफ वर्क में 15, 60 और 75 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप we will calculate or we will find common factors. Here 3 is common factor and 5 is common factor. Okay, so HCF of 15, 16 and 75 is 3 into 5, and the final answer is 15. Okay, the next part D, 77, 91 and 143, find the HCF of these three values. First of all, we will find prime factors of 75, that is 7, 11, and prime factors of 91 is 7 into 13, 7 or 13, and prime factors of 143 is 11, 13. So the common factors, there is no common factor in these three prime values. Okay, so we can say that HCF of 71, 91 and 143 is just 1, because we know that 1 is common in all these values. मतलब क्योंकि 1 पे तो ये सारे डिवाइड हो रहे हैं ना, बेशक हमने लिखा नहीं, लेकिन ये 1 पे तो सब डिवाइड हो रहे हैं ना, तो फिर हम लोग इसके HCF of 77, 91, 143 is equal to 1. Okay, Question number 2. Find the LCM each of the following 24 and 30. Now we calculate LCM 24 and 30. How can we calculate LCM of 24 and 30? First of all, we take prime factors of 24 and 30 and then find common and uncommon factors and then find LCM. Okay, just like prime factors of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. आप रफ वर्क में पहले ये कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं और फिर यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है, और आपने करना भी ऐसे ही है. And next prime factors of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so what are the common factors? 2 and 3. Okay, so the common factors are 2 into 3 and you can say that CF. Okay, and what are uncommon factors? These are these two and these 5. These are uncommon factors. So uncommon factors are 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay, so LCM is equal to CF multiplied by UF, just like this, CF multiplied by UF. Okay, ये फॉर्मूला होता है LCM का, ठीक है, कॉमन फैक्टर्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय अनकॉमन फैक्टर्स. So putting the values of CF, that is 2 into 3, and UF 2 into 2 into 5, when we multiply all these values we get 120. This is answer. Okay, in part C, 12, 18 and 81, we have to find the LCM of these three values. First of all, taking prime factors of 12, prime factors of 18 and prime factors of 81. Okay, you can find these prime factors in rough work. So what are the common factors? Common factor is 2, just 2. And uncommon factors are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So LCM of 12, 18 and 81 is CF multiplied by UF, and putting the values, and final answer is 324. Okay, you can solve